How are you, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of a monkey's tale. There was a big tree in the forest. A monkey was sitting on a branch of the tree. His tail was touching the ground. A squirrel was playing under the tree. The squirrel held the tail and started swinging. She also called other squirrels to enjoy the swing. All the squirrels started swinging on the monkey's tail. Ouch! The weight of the squirrels was too much. So the monkey fell down from the tree. All the squirrels were scared. The monkey looked at the squirrels and started laughing. Ha 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 ha. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye bye. Thank you.